Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix music not showing in Messenger notes. So if you're not able to find it inside your Messenger, then this could be that it means that you don't have the latest version of Messenger. So by the way, I will show you another methods to solve this issue. First of all, go to Play Store and go for Messenger, and then make sure you update your Messenger right now. As you can see here, I have the option of updates. Update your Messenger right now. Once you updated it, then you have to go to the settings of your phone. In the settings, you have to go to the app section. Inside the app section, go to the app management here. And here you have to search for Messenger. App management is basically where all the application which is installed in your phone will be shown here, right? Then just go for Messenger. Now go to the storage usage, clear the cache, then clear the data and re-login into your Messenger and reboot your phone. And this is the only two methods to solve this problem. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.